Hello, in this tutorial on Ncurses, which is actually the last before we go into the snake game, I want to talk you a little bit about multiple things, a little bit from that and that, so a little color window and a few useful function. So let's get started. Okay, first of all, initialize the screen as always, and the end of the program just exit the screen, so initialize the screen. Okay, now I start a function called start color. This will start the color in the terminal, so we can use colors. Simple, that's what it means. Okay, to initialize a color, actually a pair of color, you use init pair, like that. Okay, now you give an ID. For example, in this case this is 1 because this is the first color, and then initialize the foreground color and then the background color. For example, color red, this will be the red color, and color black, this will be the background color. So foreground color, this is what color do we write, and this is the background. Okay, you can find all of the colors which actually you can use integers, so I think 0 to 7, so there is 8 color in the terminal, but you can give RGB. Okay, never mind, use this macro, I think these are macros or constants, which actually just an integer, refer to an integer, and okay, now we can use this pair with this ID as an attribute on, so attr on, so attribute on, and use the color pair and 1. So this is the idea for this color. Okay, and just write something out, so print w something. Okay, and we can turn it off, so attr off, and the color pair 1. Oh, another parenthesis. Okay, and refresh the screen and get a char. Okay, that's it. Maybe it will compile, maybe not. So first of all, go to my desktop and I can try to compile the program. Oh. Don't forget this for the linker, as it will cannot find it. Okay, it seems that it's compiled. Now we can run, and as you can see, it is not really black, it's gray, but the red works fine. The background is some reason not black, but doesn't really matter. We will not use colors in our snake game program. This snake game program will actually just a shell, just an initialization for the graphical version we will write with SDL. Okay, press the key to exit. Alright, I want to show the Windows, not the operating system, but the window you can initialize here. It's actually pretty simple. Use the new win and then height and then width, then the x coordinate, y coordinates, and then x, I think so, and the end of the window you del win. Okay, window is not really a window like that, so that it is actually just a memory location in the memory, which you can refresh. For example, if you make a game and have points, then if the game doesn't change anything but the point does, then you have to just refresh that point, for example that line, not the entire screen. So almost all function has a W version. So for example w refresh, which make a window. Okay, we don't define a window here. To do that, you just simply define a window with capitals and win, for example, and a new win, make it equal to win. Okay, that's it. Simple enough. And yeah, that's all what you need, and then use the win. Okay, if I make some real values to it, then it should compile or not. Okay. Oh, I forget to give the window else. How it should know what window should it delete, right? Okay, now we can compile, and we cannot see too much difference. Actually, we cannot see any difference. Okay, just delete this start color so make back the black, and no difference, although there is a window here, and we can refresh just the window, or we can write to just the window. So I will not use that in the snake game, so I don't really want to go into it. Yeah, before we go, some useful function. I will use the no delay function, which waits for the window and the boolean value. In this case, because I don't use window, I use the standard window only, so std_str and true. This will mean in case of get ch, it will not wait. So if I run this program now, the program will immediately exit. So run it, and as you can see, it is immediately exit, because it will not wait until the user press something. But if the user pressed something, it will read, but it will not wait for it. Okay, this is one useful function. Okay, you have to initialize the screen. So use the keypad and then similarly the screen, so standard screen and true. Okay, this will initialize the screen. Usually if you don't have to, with get, you don't have to use the keypad if you just want to read characters. For example, if I would make the control with WASD, I don't have to use the keypad, although I use the down key, up key, left key and right key to make the controlling. Okay, I think I've already talked about no echo, which will not write out what I press with get ch. Okay, then cursor set. This will just simple set the cursor to invisible. So if I compile the program and run it, and maybe I should put something here, so refresh, or I don't know. Oh, never mind. I think I deleted the init screen. That's why it doesn't start as it should be. Okay, now as you can see, there is no cursor. In normal case the cursor is here, but it's disappear. So it is a good way, as the cursor will be anywhere on the game, and that's not that we want. Okay, and a last function is the delay, so sleep. This will sleep, so you sleep. Okay, this will sleep the program until a few microseconds, not millisecond, microsecond. So for example, if I want to sleep for 1 second, then I press 1, then 30 and 30. Ah, yeah, that is 1 second, I think so. Okay, so we don't use this get ch for now, so our program will automatically exit after 1 second. Actually, we have to include the IO stream for that, so IO stream. Okay, now if I compile and run the program, it will automatically exit. So okay, now that's what I wanted. So it automatically exits from the program after 1 second or 1 million, I think, or yeah, million microsecond. Okay, I think that is all I wanted to go over in this tutorial, and actually I think it is too long already, so thank you for watching and have a great day.